नई नई वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
You heard that safe drivers get rewarded with Snapshot from Progressive, so you went online to check it out. But then you saw an ad for a vintage baseball cap, and now you find yourself checking the stats of that team's second baseman in '97, wondering why his stolen base total dropped after his rookie season. Wonder how much his rookie card is worth. Yes, they said it was easy to save money with Snapshot from Progressive, but they forgot about the rest of the internet. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates. Snapshot not available in California, North Carolina, or from all agents.
HD Smartcast.
You're listening to a Hindustan Times production brought to you by HD Smartcast.
और बताओ सारा
को ना और बताओ नहीं कहते हैं क्योंकि फिर वो इतना बात करेगी ना कि आपको बोलना पड़ेगा चुप हो जाओ। और बताओ तो और बताती रहती हूँ।
हम आपकी हिंदी से बहुत ही प्रभावित हो रहे हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं।
ओहो, नाइस।
चकित हो गई हूँ कि आपने एकदम मतलब एक के बाद एक आप बोल रही हैं, क्या बात है।
आपके ज्ञान पिपासा शांत कर सकते हैं हम हिंदी के और सभी के शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हुए। Just today, my new song is come. I'm like सीटी बजाए with like Ranveer and in Neha Kakkar की आवाज. You know, I mean, it's a dream, ma'am. It's a Stuti. It's a dream, Stuti. Ma'am, sorry, no, ma'am. Stuti, sorry, no, ma'am. Stuti.
A little poem to your favorite food item that you can't have anymore.
Dear Chole Bhature, I miss those fond moments where you and my hands would meet. Chole Bhature is the most organic form of excitement that Sara faces.
One vice that you have?
मिठाई।
मिठाई भाई मिठाई लाओ कोई जली।
अरे मत लाओ। और बताओ।
Hi guys, और बताओ। Generally we ask this to our friends, colleagues, रिश्तेदार, तो बहुत कम मौका मिलता है जब हार्ट थ्रॉब जो ऑलरेडी बन चुकी हैं उनसे मैं पूछूं और बताओ सारा।
मैम सॉरी लेकिन मैं अभी बोलना चाहती हूँ कि सारा को ना और बताओ नहीं कहते हैं।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि फिर वो इतना बात करेगी ना कि आपको बोलना पड़ेगा चुप हो जाओ। सारा से और बताओ मत कहो आप प्लीज।
I have to tell you this. बहुत excitement है, of course. Everyone's waiting for your first film to see you already, and a lot of pressure. So हम एक quick rapid fire करेंगे, मतलब और बोलो और जल्दी बोलो to know you better.
तो कम बोलो और जल्दी बोलो और बोलो मत बोलो फिर मैं बोलती रहूंगी और फिर लोग बोलेंगे कि जाना।
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ क्योंकि बहुत बात हुई है that you are on social media on Insta with another name, another account. Any clues for us, कौन सा?
I just see people
But
and
you're
like
following people. You're following all the important ones.
Yeah.
Okay, she's just
More boys than
casually
girls. More younger boys than older boys.
I like that.
More hotter younger boys than older not so hot boys. आप बोल रहे हो और बोलो नाम बदल दो शो का ना मुझे हटा दो मैं बोल रही हूँ।
What is the first thing that Sara notices in a man?
Humor.
Okay. अच्छा, what is the one acting advice you've got that you hold dear?
अगर आप झूठ बोलोगे आपकी आंखों में दिखेगा, वो छुपाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। डीओपी भी नहीं कर पाएगा, मेकअप दादा भी नहीं कर पाएगा, मत करो।
ये किसने बोला था?
मॉम ने।
Very nice. And what is the one thing your dad told you?
Also learn to have fun because this job can totally engross you and engulf you and life's too short.
What is the one thing you can't live without?
उतना ही चाहिए जितना नहीं चाहिए और वो है मिठाई।
Say a love letter or something, a little poem to your favorite food item that you can't have anymore.
Dear Chole Bhature, I have just come to Delhi. I miss those fond moments where you and my hands would meet. I miss the moments where you would be at the tip of my tongue and I would swallow you with such pride and excitement and enthusiasm. Chole Bhature, you are dearly missed and I hope we meet again soon.
I'm telling
With
you.
love always, hungry Sara. I don't want to Chole Bhature.
Oh my God, this like gives you orgasmic pleasure. Lovely. I
Don't
love
say
it.
those words. Everybody's going to watch this show, right? It's like
And
we
it's
are
perfect.
PG-13.
It's perfect.
Yes,
it's
she means
Chole Bhature.
organic pleasure because Chole Bhature is the most organic form of excitement that Sara faces.
Right. Whatever she says is true. Achha, what is the one fashion trend that you hate?
Anybody else wearing white churidar kurtas because it's my fashion trend. I'm going to get banned.
Okay. A superstition that you have, that you secretly
It's not a superstition, but I'm a vegetarian on Thursdays, like today, which explains the whole Chole Bhature and not the Pandara Road chicken references.
An Anurag Kashyap film or a Bhansali film?
Honestly, I want to work with everybody but Bhansali, I'll have to say.
I like that she answers every question. Okay, the one thing that makes you nervous?
This random feeling that you get if you're sitting in Delhi and you realize that your film is going to release in less than 12 hours. It's a vague feeling. I felt it sometime for sure.
Okay, way to my heart is complete this sentence.
Khana.
Acha, the one thing you do before you go off to sea, the last thing that you do before you retire.
Shut my eyes and talk to God.
One vice that you have?
Mithai.
Mithai, bhai mithai lao koi jalebi.
Matlao.
Acha, what's your New Year plan?
Promoting Simba.
Okay,
So maybe I'll see you again in Delhi and then we'll have mithai.
Done. Your New Year resolution for 2019?
You need resolve and not resolution, so forget it.
Okay, are you on Tinder?
No.
And if you were, what would your bio be?
I dare you to swipe left.
Oh my God. You're not only being called talented and pretty, but you're being called smart. Is that something you always knew? You're like, हाँ मेरे इस talent के बारे में अब पता चल रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ये वो गुरूर वाला नहीं है. लेकिन बात ये है that I was a very fat child. 96 kilo girl 2 years ago, but confident. I think you learn to derive your confidence from a world that has nothing at all to do with your looks.
Very
True.
So
So what that does is you have to start honing different parts of your personality. Now, whether it was to make girlfriends, whether it was to impress a guy, whether it was to, gather anybody's attention, it never had to come from the perfect hair or the perfect walk or the perfect style statement, because that's just not me.
So that fat girl who was 96 kgs has turned into this as per you, the caterpillar to butterfly moment. How does this feel?
It feels very nice because I think I've done well for myself, मेरा सपना actor बनना था. वो साकार हो चुका है.
So
this is the dream, ma'am.
That's
Stuti. This is the dream, Stuti. I also get very irritated with ma'am, so I totally understand. You're like, अरे यार बुड्ढा क्यों बना रहे हो? So I get
But
it.
do you read the comments below your videos? Everybody's talking about how courteous you are, how smart you are, how nicely you answer, and what a well brought up kid you are. So do you read these comments?
I do. But I'll tell you something that I think comments should be taken with a pinch of salt. It's the era of opinions. So सबकी सुनो अपनी करो. बहुत लोग कहेंगे, oh, this was very pretty. Oh, you look like a clown. This makeup suits you a lot. This makeup ages you. Everybody is going to say what they're going to say. You have to listen, but be comfortable in your own skin.
So I can ask you, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
It would be much better to ask me this in like 3 days, because right now I'm at the stage where बहुत बातें हो गई हैं, but none of this means anything without it being followed up and backed up with good work on Friday.
What was that one thing that attracted you to this profession? Was it just the freedom to become someone else? Was it the fame, the money, the people, the adulation?
I'll tell you. I wanted to become an actor at age 4. So 4-year-old girl just wanted to dance on bange ke piche meri bedi ke niche hare piya. I can keep going on. So और बताओ तुम और बताती रहती हूँ. नहीं लेकिन नहीं करूँगी. So I think that was what the 4-year-old girl wanted. The 8-year-old girl wanted, अरे अब्बा, I call my father Abba. Abba was saying हम तुम, मुझे भी ऐसा करना है. That. I think 16-year-old girl wanted कि, I want to join movies and I want to explore and all. 20-year-old girl was fat and wanted to become a lawyer. Suddenly, just like a break for a bit in Columbia University. 21-year-old girl, not very far after that, said, नहीं कर लिया. सब पढ़ लिया, इतिहास पढ़ ली, भूगोल पढ़ लिया, गणित पढ़ लिया, but अभिनय और नाटक में जितना मजा आता है कहीं नहीं आता है.
So I want to बहुत ही प्रभावित हो रहे हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं, और मैं आश्चर्यचकित हो गई हूँ कि आपने एकदम मतलब एक के बाद एक आप बोल रही हैं. क्या बात है.
आपकी ज्ञान प्रकाशा शांत कर सकते हैं हम हिंदी के और सटीक शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हुए, लेकिन नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि फिर कोई भी पिक्चर नहीं
खुल चुके हैं.
We can keep going on. This is going to be some fun times. No, but the reason I want to do this is because our job allows you to live so many lives that are within you and that are not within you, that you will not be able to live on your own. I have done a double shift of Kedarnath and Simba, where I've, and I've lived such different lives via these things. You see this, there's rain, there's crying, there's holding Sushant, him carrying me, and then there's just today my new song is come. I'm doing Siti Bajai with like Ranveer and in Neha Kakkad ki awaaz. It's a dream, ma'am. It's a Stuti. It's a dream, Stuti, and it's like you know, this is the reason I do what I do, so that I can do more of it.
A lot of thought went into your first film, like, you know, there were sittings with your parents. What happened? How did you choose Kedarnath and why?
I feel that we spend so long trying to intellectualize and over-intellectualize things. The biggest things in your life now, good, bad or different, you don't see coming. And it just happened. And from then on, there was not a single moment where I could have not done this. It was the dream film that just came to me.
And what about your co-actor? How was your first interaction with him?
You know, with Sushant, I've watched a lot of his work. The time at which Kedarnath was just, being in its extremely nascent stage, Nana Nana had come out. Okay? I cannot tell you how obsessed I was with that song. You know, and the first time I met Sushant, I met him and Kriti both at this party. And I went up to both of them and I was like, listen, I think you both are so hot. Sushant, your abs, and Kriti, your legs in this song are just killer. But yeah, so I think around that time was the first time. So it started with oh my God, he's the hero of Nana Nana. And then I got to know him. I got to know the way that he acts. We did a couple of workshops together, and I must tell you that he has been just the most helpful person to have on board, you know.
And on that note, we want to say we can't wait to watch you on the big screen. We can't wait to watch your next film.
Just go to sleep, wake up in the morning, it'll release. So just go and watch it then.
बहुत मजा आया, Sara. You're awesome.
Thank you, Stati.
You're as good as I imagined you to be.
Hopefully you'll feel so tomorrow. Please, guys, go and watch it. I hope you guys like my film. Thank you.
This was a Hindustan Times production brought to you by HT Smartcast.
HT Smartcast.
Hey, what do you want to da-da-da? I don't know. What do y'all think we should da-da-da? Well, what did we da yesterday? Yesterday. All the dolls feel like the same doll these days. I know. Like, is today Monday or Tuesday? Today is Thursday. Oh no, I forgot to call my mom on her birthday. Oh no! No!
These days, nothing is normal and everything is weird. But you could still save big when you switch to Progressive. That won't change. Not today or any day.
Quote today at Progressive.com.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates.